Hi there, I'm Dan Kniff with the Interplant Sales. I'm going to run a Bridgeport Series 2 special mill for you here today. This mill features a Proto Trak MX2 CNC control. It's fully supported by Southwest Industries. It's called a 2.5 axis. It's got its scale on the quill here. Got that Series 2 base with a large table on it. It's got chrome ways, central lube. It's a real rigid knee on it. Got a power drawbar on it. It's a Bridgeport. No. Yeah, make sure you got the quill all the way up when you run the drawbar, otherwise it won't work. Run the head here. Power down feet. You can stop there and kick out. Speed adjustment. It's all the way up. And all the way down. Put it in back gear. Back gear. On the CNC control here now. And, jog it here. Program in here, I'll run it quick. It's a good running machine. If you have any questions, give us a call.